Well, breaking news, Microsoft's bid for Activision is blocked. UK blocks Microsoft's $69 billion bid for Activision, a blow for tech deals. This is from the New York Times. This is crazy. I mean, this just came out maybe 3 hours ago. Shout out to Nelson for giving me the heads up on this. I really thought, honestly, I thought Microsoft was unstoppable. I thought they were going to get this deal. Let's take a look. British antitrust regulators on Wednesday dealt a major setback to Microsoft's plan to acquire the video game giant Activision Blizzard for $69 billion. $69 billion. Whew. Blocking the proposed deal and handing a notable win to government enforcers who want to rein in big tech. Wow. This is this good news? I mean, do you want one company to have a monopoly over one thing? You can't have that. You know? Continue to say this is a very big win for the broader effort to realign antitrust enforcement. Said William E. Kovacic, I believe, a former chairman of the Federal Trade Commission. Microsoft said it planned to appeal the ruling. Wow, they're going to appeal it, huh? They have the money. I mean, I don't know how far they're going to get. I'm not a lawyer. I don't know necessarily how far you get when you appeal something this big. The British agency's announcement bolstered efforts by the FTC, Federal Trade Commission Chair Lina Khan, who has made a challenging merger as a central part of her plan to rein in the tech giants. And yeah, Microsoft's just not happy about it, obviously. Let's see here. There was another point I wanted to bring out. Going back a little bit here, the FTC said it was aligned with the British regulator. We also have concerns, as explained to our complaint about the anti-competitive effects of this deal. Yeah. So this was a big one. And Sony, I'm sure Sony's got to be just ecstatic about it, because Sony was not happy about this. They were going against Microsoft for doing this. So Sony did not immediately respond to a request for comment on the ruling. Well, yeah, because they're just sitting back there giggling, and just it's a big win for them. You know, I'll post the article in down below for everybody else that wants to read a little bit more on what's going on. You know, how do you guys feel about this? Is this a win? Is this a win for us as consumers, as gamers? Is this good for us, or does Microsoft purchasing Activision? That's just better for them, right? I mean, 69, ladies and gentlemen, 69. They were about to spend $69 billion. Whew. Let me know what you guys think. You know, like, dislike, leave a comment down below, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. I'll talk to you soon.